All right, what's up, Tech Nation? Let me be honest with you. Since my stroke happened, I have been unable to film and walk because the video is very shaky, and we'll show you an example in a minute because I can't walk quite like I used to walk, nice and smooth. I walk more with a limp now. So let me show you what we're talking about today. So I need a stabilizer, and it's funny because I just bought this stabilizer before I had my stroke. Interesting, huh? So now I have a stabilizer that will allow me to shoot like at restaurants when I'm doing Jack on the Go episodes and stuff like that. So today we're going to review the stabilizer. I'm going to walk with my little bit of a limp and the stabilizer, and we'll see. And then I'll hold it and you'll see it shake. Okay, today we're showing you the Smove mobile device. It's like they used to call it a gimbal. Now it's an extendable smartphone stabilizer. This is about anywhere between $100 and $150 depending on where you buy it from. So let's open the box and take a peek inside. Okay, so this is what you see inside. It looks like it has its own case and its own wiring. Comes with a little user manual. This is great if you're into action sports, walking around, jogging. I bet you can film real well while you're jogging. So let's take it out of the bag and see what it looks like. As you can see on the top of this device, there's a place to plug in your phone for charging. So you get extra life. You use the battery that's in the handle to power your phone when you need more power. I have no idea how this thing works. I'm guessing it works by Bluetooth. But you got the record button, the stop and start button, all that stuff. So let's get my phone in because we have to twist it and get it all calibrated. So it has to weigh out equally. The counterweight we have to adjust to make sure our phone is stable in the first place. And then we lock it in. Look what we just found. We found ourselves a little tripod stand that comes with it. And that was that one right there. It was sitting right there. And now you can set it down so you can talk to it. Just like my little tripod behind it. It is its own tripod now. And you probably have a charging cable. I'm telling you guys, this is the best thing to be asking for Christmas. Here is a side-by-side comparison of me walking with a Smove on the left. And on the right, I'm holding the camera in my hand. You can see how shaky it is. Okay guys, so I tried the TW switch while recording, and it's supposed to be a zoom effect, but it didn't zoom my camera, so I have to look into it more. If you know what the TW button on the side does, that'd be great. But right now, I'm really happy with the holder, and it's very comfortable. I can talk into it. Yeah, there's face tracking. Right now, I think it's like $159. I think I looked on the internet and I found it for $159. So grab yourself a Smove. You take care, and I'll see you on the next episode of Tech Time.